Unika jigs are designed in conjunction with kitchen fitters to offer the latest design features. They are made from 13mm compact laminate and are guaranteed never to warp. They are manufactured on CNC machinery using the very latest diamond tooling to ensure a perfectly smooth finish. Unika offer a technical support helpline. Telephone 0191 259 7876. Unika 1000 Jig is popular with experienced kitchen fitters who fit standard worktop sizes and also wider breakfast bars. It works with worktop widths 400mm to 1000mm. It performs the following cuts: left and right hand miter joint, corner solution, 5 bolt slots, radius end, 35mm hinge hole. Before you start, you need to check you have the right equipment. To complete a miter joint, you will need router, 30mm guide bush, 12.7mm router cutter, jig pegs, quick release clamps. To set up your router, you need to insert the cutter and secure in place. Then fit the 30mm guide bush. Next, measure the worktop width and place the pegs in the appropriate female holes. New to this jig is the addition of the 620mm measurement for IKEA worktops. Position the jig and clamp in place. The cutter should always enter the post form edge for all cuts working from left to right. Plunge the router cutter to a depth of 10mm and pass along the center slot of the jig. There will be a small amount of play in the slot. Use the side of the slot nearest to you to guide the router. Continue to cut off the waste at 10mm at a time. Once the waste has fallen away, the worktop will look like this. You can visibly see the witness marks of each pass. Now use the side of the slot furthest away from you to guide the router and make a final pass. This will give a smooth finish. For the male cut, the worktop needs to be face down. Insert the pegs in the appropriate male holes. Position the jig and clamp in place. Once again, the cutter must enter the post form edge and plunge to a depth of 10mm at a time. Remember to make the final pass after the waste has been removed. The jig will allow you to cut pockets to accommodate the 150mm connecting bolts. You must carefully set the cutter to the correct depth to accommodate the bolt, but no further. Use the pillar stop. The waste is removed slowly as the cutter is plunged to about 50mm. Notice the router is moved in a clockwise direction. Biscuit slots can also be added for more accurate alignment. The worktops can now be positioned and fitted together using Easy Bolt and Colour Fill. For backsplash and upstands, use Top Seal adhesive and sealant. For worktop cutouts, use Unika heat reflective tape.